This year is shaping up to be an exciting one for smartphone enthusiasts, with highly anticipated launches on the horizon, from the iPhone 17 Air to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and even a surprising entry from Tecno with the Spark Slim. There's no shortage of innovation. But the real buzz surrounds the Nothing Phone 3, a flagship device that has fans eagerly counting down the days. The wait might finally be coming to an end, and it looks like we won't have to wait much longer to see what Nothing has in store for us. I've got two exciting confirmations straight from the company, so onto the video for a moment. But before we dive in, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech updates. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. The first leak about the Nothing Phone 3 came during the introduction of the Nothing Phone 3A, where the design team shared insights into the inspiration behind the Phone 3A's design, teasing what's to come.
Even an exclusive look at Phone 3.
But here, kind of looking at this lineup, this hopefully kind of illustrates how the design language is evolving. So coming from 2A and kind of knowing where we're going to be, it really helps us to kind of figure out how to kind of fill this space.
So that's Phone 3?
That's Phone 3.
Just gonna remove this so our editor doesn't kill us. Just once for the fans.
The second confirmation happened during the official launch event for the Nothing Phone 3A series. In the video, Carl Pei answered calls from fans, many of whom asked about the Nothing Phone 3's release. He responded by saying it's being cooked right now and promised to share more details soon.
When Nothing Phone 3?
Okay, well, sounds to me, Carl, that everybody wants to hear all about the Phone 3, which is coming out a little bit later this year, isn't it?
Yeah, we're still working on it. It's being cooked right now. We'll be able to share more soon, but today is all about the Phone 3A.
One thing is clear, Nothing is doubling down on design and AI-powered features to set itself apart from the competition. Even their latest advertisement reflects this commitment, boldly stating, "Don't buy me, if your phone owns you more than you own it." With all these leaks and teasers coming out officially from the company, the launch of the Nothing Phone 3 feels imminent within a few months, probably in the month of July. Another key highlight is the introduction of a multi-function button, which Nothing is calling the Essential Key. Similar to the action button found on the iPhone 15 and 16 series, this button can be customized for various tasks based on user preferences. This addition could be a smart move to attract iPhone users looking for similar functionality in an Android device. What do you think about this new feature? Share your thoughts in the comments. Furthermore, a new concept design emerged online, building upon the Nothing Phone 3A design, but with changes in the camera placements. We will explore them in our next video, so don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned. What are your thoughts about these latest developments? Are you excited about the Nothing Phone 3 design? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.